Women Innovators is a nonprofit organization that I co-founded to really connect, elevate, and educate females interested in science, technology, engineering, math, and the arts, and really bring it all together.
We could not do it without the industry partners that we have in the Treasure Valley. And what better way for these STEM companies to help than to donate their time and resources to help cultivate amazing events like these.
Vynyl is excited to support and be a sponsor of SheTech. They open our eyes to the possibilities, things that we might not have thought of as a potential career path.
I think it's very important for a company to be involved in the community. In Vynyl, that's something I think Vynyl does a really great job of. I probably wouldn't be here today if I hadn't gone to a high school that offered design classes. So I think some of the work that Vynyl does in giving back to or promoting STEM in general among middle school and high school students is really important. Being exposed to sort of those different angles of what STEM can be can open a lot of doors for young women.
It just shows that it matters to you as a company, that you want a diverse team to solve your problems. You're not just doing things the same way that you've always done them, but you're really trying to grow innovative solutions from a diverse team of people solving the problems of tomorrow.